All right, this is Brian with Sidestep Boxing here with Luis, the Magic Man Olivares, 7-0, or now 8-0, currently with SMS Promotions. Guys, how do you base your performance today? After being out of the ring for a year, was there some ring rust that you had to work out, some cobwebs?
Yeah, there's definitely some ring rust there. I definitely felt it in the first round, but as I started getting back into things, second, third, and fourth round, I started performing a little bit more smoother. So this was a good fight back for me, and I'm happy with my performance overall. So from here on out, I'm just ready to stay busy and continue with my career.
Awesome. Was there a reason for the layoff?
Yeah, I hurt my hand. My last fight, it was pretty much a little more than a year. I tore a tendon in my left hand, and I tried. I didn't need surgery, thank God, but I took some time off from the gym, and then I started training a little bit, and it was still bothering me. So it just took a year to heal, I guess.
Okay, how did it feel tonight?
I felt great tonight. I'm like I said, I'm thankful that I'm feeling healthy 100%. So I'm ready to stay busy.
Okay. And Mr. Viers, was there anything anything you noticed today that you guys could work on, maybe, or?
Yeah, there's always going to be things to work on. First fight back, he's been off for a little bit more than a year. His last fight was actually in Florida. Just some little things, with the jab, things like that. But overall, good performance. We didn't know, we were kind of up in the air the whole time with the fight. We didn't find out until last night. So just the whole situation, he did real well with it.
Yeah, taking the fight on 24 hours notice, looked pretty good. Is there anything you want to say to your fans back in Glendale?
Thank you guys for your continued love and support. I thank you guys, and you'll be seeing more from me.
All right, this is Brian with Sidestep Boxing with the Magic Man, Luis Olivares, and Mr. Alan Viers.
Got it.
All right, SMS Promotions with Sidestep Boxing. We out of here.